Precision. It's at the heart of everything we produce. At Adnan Industries, we produce aesthetically engineered Wahid fans with zero compromise on quality and performance. From high-quality electric motors to fan bodies, this production setup is well equipped to manufacture complete electric fans at one place. This stamping press precisely cuts steel sheets into required sizes and stacks according to the specifications of the required motors. These stators are sent to motor winding section where finest and pure copper wire is used for motor winding. Energy-efficient and durable electric motors are the most important component of Wahid fans. These high-quality motors are made to last for a lifetime. Adnan Industries uses finest quality of aluminum for Wahid fans bodies. Aluminum fan bodies are die-casted on high temperature and then processed further on fully automatic computerized CNC lathe machines. These machines minimize human errors and enhance the flawless smooth finish of Wahid fans. Precise shape of Wahid fan blades are the secret of noiseless and powerful air throw. After cutting in required sizes, this power press gives specific curves to the aluminum fan blades. On the other side, all plastic parts are made on latest automatic plastic injection molding machines. These parts are made using high-quality imported plastic granules. The assembly unit receives fan parts from different units of the factory, where trained professionals assemble fan bodies of different types and models. Experienced technicians double-check every Wahid fan and ensure 100% accuracy in assembling and fitting. The powder coating and paint plant is very well equipped with latest technology. This plant powder coats and paints the fans' bodies and blades on high temperature. This tough paint coat gives smooth and shiny paint finish that lasts for decades and prevents scratches and dust marks. expert paint artists give special human touch to enrich the aesthetics of Wahid Fans. Before packing and shipment, every single Wahid fan has to pass a final quality check that ensures flawless quality and optimum performance. Strict quality controls are applied to meet the zero complaint policy of Wahid Fans. Every member of the production team is trained and committed to deliver flawless production quality. And that is why Wahid Fans have gained repute of most reliable, well-designed and economical fans in Pakistan, Bangladesh, as well as in Gulf and African countries. Wahid Fans, trusted for zero complaint globally.